Assalamualaikum viewers, this is Faizali. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel. Welcome to my presentation on the Microsoft PowerPoint. Today we will discuss PowerPoint presentation tools that will help you during your presentation. Here you can see a short key which enable the pen and you can write on the screen. Ctrl plus P. Now I am clicking Ctrl and P. Now you can see that a red color is appeared. Now I can write anything on the screen. For example, I am going to write A and B. So I can write on the screen easily, and if I want to explain something, I can explain to my colleagues or the students. The next is Ctrl plus E, which erase a single word, and if I want to erase all the material at the same time, I have to press E simply. So I am giving you the demo here. I am going to write A, B and C. If I want to erase just C, I'll click Ctrl plus E. Now you can see eraser on the screen, which I am clicking on it and the word is erased. But if I want to erase both words, so I'll just press E. Now you can see that all the words are erased from the screen. Then next we have Ctrl plus L, which enable the laser light pen. Now I'm clicking Ctrl plus L. You now can see that a laser light is appeared, and if I want to explain something to my students, I can explain easily. Now I will tell you a very interesting way to take a pause, so students will pay attention on your words and listen carefully. So if you want to take a pause, press W. Then the white screen will be appear and students will not see anything on the screen. And if you want to switch white screen with the black one, then press B to set a black screen. So students will just see the black screen and cannot see anything on the screen. These are the helpful tools that will help you during your presentation, and you can manage your presentation effectively and efficiently. Thank you for watching my tutorial. If you like my video, please click on the like button and subscribe my channel.